Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake juicy at home. To achieve a wonderfully moist cake, start by understanding that moisture comes from both the ingredients you choose and how you handle them. We'll cover simple steps that anyone can follow to transform their baking results, ensuring every slice is tender and delicious. Get ready to impress with your next homemade cake. Selecting the right ingredients is crucial for a juicy cake. Consider swapping some of your regular milk for buttermilk or even plain yogurt. Their acidity helps tenderize the crumb. A little extra fat, like 1/4 cup of vegetable oil or melted butter, can also make a big difference. Brown sugar, with its natural molasses, is another secret weapon for retaining moisture, giving you a truly delightful texture. Baking correctly is just as important as your ingredients. Always ensure your oven is preheated to the specified temperature, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, before placing your cake inside. Resist the urge to open the oven door too often, as this causes temperature fluctuations that can dry out your cake. Bake only until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, indicating it's perfectly done without being overbaked. What you do after baking can significantly impact your cake's juiciness. Once the cake is out of the oven, consider brushing it with a simple syrup while it's still warm. This adds an extra layer of moisture. After it cools completely, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap to prevent air from drying it out. Storing your cake in an airtight container at room temperature will keep it fresh and moist for several days, ensuring every bite is as delicious as the first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.